Hello everyone. Today I welcome you all to a new video of S.S.STUDY point, and the subject for today is EVS. The topic is Musculo Skeletal System. So let's get started to understand this wonderful topic. So the first question which comes in our mind is, what is a skeletal system? And why do we need it in our body? So let's understand that why these skeletal system is an essential part of our body. Now let's understand what is a skeletal system. If you can see, a picture came up in front of you. A lot of bones together to form a particular shape that is known as skeletal system. Let's understand. A skeleton is a framework of bone that provide protection, gives the body proper shape, and help in the movement. There are 206 bones in our human body. For example, if you can see, another picture came up in front of you, which is indicating the names of the various bones that are present in our body. So the first example is skull, which protects our brain. Yes. Number 2, rib cage, that protects our heart and lungs. And third, it helps us to sit, stand, and walk. Now let us understand the human skeletal system in a more elaborated manner. If you can see, a bone, a structure of bone came up in front of you. So what are bones? Let's understand. Bones are made up of calcium, phosphorus, sodium, and other minerals, as well as the protein collagen. Bones are hard and porous. Bones consist of both living cells and rigid mass of salts. So what are the basic functions of a skeletal system? Let's understand. It gives the body shape. It gives the body support. It allows the body to move. It protects the major organs and produce red and white blood cells. Now, if you understand in a more elaborated manner, the skeletal system protects our very delicate organs which are present in our body, like our brain, heart, lungs, kidneys, etc. And it helps us to walk. It helps us to move, it helps us to run, it helps us to dance, and it gives the support to the body, the particular shape of the body. Now there are different types of bones in our body. If you can see, a picture came up in front of you, and it is showing that there are general 4 types of bones present in our body. So let's understand in a more elaborated manner. The first one, we have the long bone over here. The first one, the long bone works as levers and are present in the arms and legs. The second one is the short bone. The short bone are present in the wrist and the ankle. Third one, flat bone. They have broad surfaces to protect the internal organs. For example, the bone found in the skull. And the fourth one, irregular bones. They have different shape and sizes, like bones found in the ear. I hope you have understood this topic really well, and stay tuned for the second part, that is the elaborated explanation of skeletal system. Hope you have understood the topic really well. For more educational video, do like, share and subscribe our channel. DM your concerned topic on our Instagram page. Our Instagram handle is @ss.edu_. Thank you so much for your time, your patience and watching a video. Thank you so much.